Yeah, I did. I worked for another inspector for a couple of years, sort of north of Nashville area, and learned learned a lot working there. And when the licensing law came in effect in Tennessee back in '06, I decided that there were some other things going on with that company too, and I decided that now is a good time to jump out there on my own. And there were a lot of new things in the industry, a lot of new things in the real estate industry at that time, and just through a lot of thought and prayer and conversation with my wife, we decided that it was a good time to jump out there on our own and see if we could do it, and I'm glad we did. Well, the thought process behind it is, we can, when somebody hires us to inspect a property for them, especially if they're buying, and that's what most of our business is, for people buying houses. Our idea is let us come through it using the Tennessee standards of practice, using their experience, and inspect that house and educate them on the condition of it, and also educate them on things that need to be done so that as they move in, time goes on, they don't get caught off guard by things that are dangerous or big expensive repairs that need to be made. They can know that going into it.